Hello everyone, welcome to the 12th project version 6 in-depth review, where today we're going to go into a little bit of the best practices once you have access to Portal and now you're in the software. So like all the software, we have water prep, user prep, select program. So over the years, the 12th project was developed in 3 stages. The first stage was creating the virtual 12, and again the idea here was to use the 12 gods of Olympus because they're already in the human consciousness grid and we have association with them since our childhood. We've learned about them, we've talked about them, they're all about Greek mythology. And the premise of the 12th project was to create 12 virtual chakras outside the body. And once you've activated them and you've closed your eyes, you'll see the virtual chakra pop up. It's pretty amazing. And of course, we utilize that by consciously directing the light frequency into water. So for example, I typically tell people to use them in the order that they feel intuitively. Okay, and you want to use each one of the virtual 12 for 2 to 3 days. And sometimes the virtual chakra comes quicker, sometimes it takes a little time to form. So again, if we're going to use Zeus, we just run this particular session. The water will be water prep, user prepped, and then we'll nucleate it. And what we're doing is we're impressing the light frequencies of this into the water at this point. Then you would go ahead and drink it. Now you don't want to drink the 12th project water probably more than 2 or 3 times a day, and you want to stay consistent when utilizing these. So if you decide to start with Zeus, use it for 2 or 3 days. You'll know when the virtual chakra shows up because it just appears and it's as plain as day. You're just drawn to it. Inside each one of the virtual chakras is messages that you left for yourself. Okay, I believe that we're all spirit energy living the human experience, and inside each one of the chakras is a gift that you left yourself to remember whom you were, whom you are, and whom you will be becoming. So as the software developed, we then incorporated the physical 7, and these are really strong. Again, just like the virtual 12, this is the physical 7. And again, you probably want to use these 2 or 3 times a day over the course of a day or two. These are geared to cleaning and removing all of the bad stuff. So when the physical 7 chakras are clogged, okay, a lot of different things happen. You can't give and receive, you can't receive and give. Each one of the 7 virtual chakras supports body functionality. So again, it's simple. You select a chakra, you put your attention on the water, and we are now, impressing the light frequencies of this particular chakra into the water. And when you drink it, it's like spot on. You feel it go right to that chakra and start that cleaning process. And then when the 12th project version 5 came along, we incorporated the LightBody levels 1, 2, and 3. This part of the software you really only want to use once you've completed the programs for the virtual 12 and the physical 7. These are very strong. They are laser focused, and what they will do is help elevate your light body. Okay, and again, it's simple. You just select the program, you say use this, and you run that session. Where your attention goes, the intention will follow. And at this point, we are preparing the glass of water with that first phase, level 1. You probably want to do these a few times, get used to them before you move on to 2 and 3. Again, they are extremely potent, as all the software is, and the best discernment is go with your intuitiveness and see what works best for your lifestyle. Thanks, folks. Have a great day.